My hair.
You were in a hurry then. But then I told you you'd be here before tickets go on sale. So, 2 minutes.
I've never. Other than the free ticket, long, like,
right.
how long ago?
Oh, it's 10 a.m. Wait, hold up. 57 seconds though. So, yeah, shoot for up to 180.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, wait, your turn is coming up soon. Hang tight and good luck.
Are you this calm before?
No.
Oh.
Oh, no, yeah, I was this calm. I was in my car.
Why is your loading faster than mine?
Wait.
Okay, go.
Hold up. Wait, what's going on? Why is it just a blank screen? Ah, no, why is it a blank screen? Ah, no. Okay. How many tickets? Wait. 4 tickets.
Yeah.
Okay. P3. Should we do? No, just P3.
Oh shoot, okay.
No, or wait, P4.
Up to you, go. Oh my god, just go.
Ooh.
My heart is racing. I got 180, but okay.
Wait. Updating. Ah! No!
Oh my gosh, $810.
Oh my god.
Are you
Wait,
serious?
where's section 107?
Is it really $810?
Yeah. Like, no. Do you want to just go for like P4?
You already got it. I saw the price.
Ah!
Go.
Okay, P4. Ah! 642. Is it? Or did you want it to be closer?
I want it closer, but
right.
the price, my god, just my money.
Right.
Okay.
Wait, should we try for something else?
No.
Oh, wait, so just this. So this.
Yeah.
So want me to get it? Yeah. You see? Shut it.
Just go. Go.
Ah, wait. So are we getting it? Shut
Just
it.
go.
I
I don't want to see it being paid. It's so much money. $643. Wait, Mary wants to go?
What? Mary? Okay, Shoti, we got them.
I don't know if this was a good decision or not.
Shoti!
But okay. Can't believe I gave in for BTS. Shut up.
Wait, did Karen get tickets?
Wait, they're going as well.
Wait, oh.
Woo!
Hello? Did you guys get tickets?
What tickets did you guys get?
What tickets did you guys get?
P1.
P1.
I kind of want P1 now.
So. Shut it!
Oh, 180 is not that bad.